How to add feeling or activity feature to the BuddyPress activity post. Hello everyone. In this video, we are sharing with you how to add feeling or activity feature to the BuddyPress activity post. With this feature, your members can add feeling or activity to their post. It's like Facebook feature. First, you need to install and activate the Youzify Pro version. You can purchase it on Code Canyon. Please click URL on the video description to go to the product page. Once Youzify is active, please go to Youzify panel, General Settings, and Wall Settings. Scroll down to the Posting Form settings. Enable Posts Feeling and Activity and save. Let's see the result. Now members can add feeling or activity when post the status on the activity stream. Thank you for watching. And see you in the next video.